Hey guys, a little bit of a different video here. So usually when I do these intros, it's off the cuff and I just say what's on my mind. I don't rehearse anything. And this one's going to be a little bit different because I think there's somebody really important that we need to talk about. There's things we need to talk about, and I always made it very clear when I started this channel that it's not just going to be about HVAC. It's going to be about life in general and how we deal with everything in our life, how we live our life, whether it be well or the struggles that we go through and everything that we deal with on a daily basis. And I think about this a lot. I don't bring it out that much. Usually it's all goofy stuff with HVAC and life and just being myself, and sometimes we forget what's really important in our life. And getting back to kindness with everybody regardless of who they are. There's certain people that you just can't get through to, and I understand that, but I believe that being kind to people should be at the forefront, should be common for everybody. But I think we've all gotten so lost in our own lives that we forget to be kind. And so there's a video I'm going to play for you. Somebody that we lost a while back that we really need more people like this gentleman. And so what I did right before I started this video excuse me, is I just wrote this down real quick. These are things I was thinking about before I start this video, and hope you guys appreciate it. So usually when I do these commentary advice videos, I cut in, but I think for this one I'm just going to let it roll. I'm going to do this intro video for it, and then I'm going to shut up and let the video play if you haven't seen it. And I'll probably do a little summary at the end, but yeah, I'm just going to let it play. But I want to read what I just wrote just now, and I hope you guys can appreciate this, and I hope you understand that it's coming from the heart, and I mean every word of it. And I hope that hopefully it gives you something to think about in this crazy life that we're living in. And I'll just read it and tell me what you think. So I just wrote this like 10 seconds ago, right before I started the video. So it's have we lost something? What is it we've lost? Is it common human decency? Or is it not enough humans that are decent? We argue, fight, alienate each other over mundane things. We lose relationships with others due to our own selfish stubbornness and pig-headedness. We have lost some truly great human beings in my lifetime. Today I want to celebrate a great man I grew up with. We need more people like him on this great journey we call life. The video you're about to watch is from May 1st, 1969. So let's get into the video.
Now, Mr. Rogers is certainly one of the best things that's ever happened to public television, and his Peabody Award is testament to that fact. We in public television are proud of Fred Rogers, and I'm proud to present Mr. Rogers to you now. Fred.
All right, Rogers, you got the floor.
Senator Pastore, this is a philosophical statement and would take about 10 minutes to read, so I'll not do that. One of the first things that a child learns in a healthy family is trust, and I trust what you have said that you will read this. It's very important to me. I care deeply about children. My first
Will
children's...
it make you happy if you read it?
I'd just like to talk about it, if it's all right.
sir. Okay.
My first children's program was on WQED 15 years ago, and its budget was $30. Now, with the help of the Sears Roebuck Foundation and National Educational Television, as well as all of the affiliated stations, each station pays to show our program. It's a unique kind of funding in educational television. With this help, now our program has a budget of $6,000. It may sound like quite a difference, but $6,000 pays for less than 2 minutes of cartoons, 2 minutes of animated, what I sometimes say, bombardment. I'm very much concerned, as I know you are, about what's being delivered to our children in this country. And I've worked in the field of child development for 6 years now, trying to understand the inner needs of children. We deal with such things as the inner drama of childhood. We don't have to bop somebody over the head to make him to make drama on the screen. We deal with such things as getting a haircut, or the feelings about brothers and sisters, and the kind of anger that arises in simple family situations. And we speak to it constructively.
How long a program is it?
It's a half hour every day. Most channels schedule it in the noontime as well as in the evening. WETA here has scheduled it in the late afternoon.
Could we get a copy of this so that we can see it? Maybe not today, but I'd like to see the program.
I'd like very much for you
I'd
to
like
see.
to see the program itself, or any one of them, you see.
We made 100 programs for EEN, the Eastern Educational Network, and then when the money ran out, people in Boston and Pittsburgh and Chicago all came to the fore and said, we've got to have more of this neighborhood expression of care. And this is what I give. I give an expression of care every day to each child to help him realize that he is unique. I end the program by saying, you've made this day a special day by just your being you. There's no person in the whole world like you, and I like you just the way you are. And I feel that if we in public television can only make it clear that feelings are mentionable and manageable, we will have done a great service for mental health. I think that it's much more dramatic that two men could be working out their feelings of anger, much more dramatic than showing something of gunfire. I'm constantly concerned about what our children are seeing. And for 15 years, I have tried in this country and Canada to present what I feel is a meaningful expression of care.
Do you narrate it?
I'm the host, yes, and I do all the puppets, and I write all the music, and I write all the scripts.
Well, I'm supposed to be a pretty tough guy, and this is the first time I've had goosebumps for the last 2 days.
Well, I'm grateful not only for your goosebumps, but for your interest in our kind of communication. Could I tell you the words of one of the songs which I feel is very important?
Yes.
This has to do with that good feeling of control, which I feel that children need to know is there. And it starts out, what do you do with the mad that you feel? And that first line came straight from a child. I work with children, doing puppets in very personal communication with small groups. What do you do with the mad that you feel? When you feel so mad you could bite. When the whole wide world seems oh so wrong, and nothing you do seems very right. What do you do? Do you punch a bag? Do you pound some clay or some dough? Do you round up friends for a game of tag or see how fast you go? It's great to be able to stop when you've planned a thing that's wrong and be able to do something else instead and think this song. I can stop when I want to, can stop when I wish, can stop, stop, stop anytime. And what a good feeling to feel like this and know that the feeling is really mine. Know that there's something deep inside that helps us become what we can. For a girl can be someday a lady, and a boy can be someday a man.
I think it's wonderful. I think it's wonderful. Looks like you just earned the $20 million.
So, those are some really good life lessons that, and he's talking about kids, how to basically how to control your anger and how to make the right decision when you're stressed, when things aren't going your way, if you're fighting with somebody, arguing with somebody, how to deal with those emotions and make the right decision. And he did that for that was back in 1969. He did that for 50 years because he started in 54. It's a powerful message that he gave about how children, it's a simple thing with children to teach them to restrain themselves and to not do the wrong thing when life throws things at you. And if you teach kids this when they're young, when they get older, they're going to make the right decision. So I wish I would have been taught that personally myself. So hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and about humanity and about being kind to others. And Mr. Fred Rogers, I thank you for your service to this world. And I hope we have many, many, many more Fred Rogers coming out of the woodworks. I'm always going to try to do the right thing for people and try to be kind. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you on the next one.